future and stuff, my opinion would be to designate an area for Statefarm storage up there.
In Nashville?
Right out here.
Yeah.
Hanging ceiling, floating ceiling, carpets up and everything, and now we got vinyl down. We're just finishing up some stuff with the trim. And crown molding, obviously, you see it ended off right there, so we got a crown mold the rest of this. But yeah, we got everything pretty much squared away. Almost finished with it. And again, it's a lot better than what it was, so if you need any help with water damage, make sure to like, subscribe, call us, and we can help you out best that we can. Best in Monroe County, best in East Tennessee, give us a call. Restorations Pro.